Hi, story cooking classes, where we cook and tell stories. Before fast food, before street food, before food delivery apps, there was Buuz. The dumplings so old that it's probably arrived before recipe was finished. Buuz is also called Buuz, is Mongolia's most famous steamed dumplings. A dumpling so old it probably arrived before recipe was finished. And this is not just a food, this is history that you can eat. And luckily, history that doesn't bite back. Buuz became popular during the Mongol Empire, when the nomads needed food that was filling, portable, reliable, and strong enough to survive both winter and Genghis Khan's lifestyle. Today, Buuz is eaten all over Mongolia, especially during Tsagan Sar, the Lunar New Year, when families gather together, cook together, and argue about who made better dumplings. And now a detail that separates Buuz from just another dumplings. It is pitched exactly 33 times. Why 33? Because in Tengrism, the religion of the nomads, there are 33 heavens, so every fold is a prayer. Miss a pitch? Well, at least your dumpling is still edible. Now we've folded some history in our minds, let's fold some dough with our hands. Nomadic cuisine follows one golden rule. If you can't carry it on a horse, you probably don't need it. For Buuz, we need eggs, flour, water, meat, beef and pork belly, onions, salt, and black pepper. That's it. No paprika, no truffle oil, no chef's secret ingredient. Mix flour with eggs and water. And knead until smooth. Cover it and let it rest, because even dough understands the importance of life and work balance. Now take your meat and put it into blender. Yes, nomads didn't have blenders, but if Genghis Khan had one, he definitely would have used it. Blend until fine. Blend onions. No chairs today. This is a safe space. In a bowl, mixed minced meat and onions, with salt, pepper, and a little bit of water. That water is not mistake. That water is a future meat juice. Mixed well and let it rest. The filling marinates, the dough rests, everyone is calm. And while our ingredients relax like nomads after a long journey, let's talk about why this dish exists at all. Buuz is survival masterpiece. It is high energy, high protein, and built from ingredients that survive extreme climates. And its shape? Not random. It looks like yurta, the traditional nomadic house. Round, circular, closed, and cozy. Basically, Buuz is a tiny edible house. Why steaming? Nomads preferred steaming because it saves fuel, keeps food juicy, and doesn't burn the ingredients. And here's an important part. Fire was sacred. In Tengrism, fire connects humans to the sky. Burning food unnecessarily was disrespectful, so steaming wasn't just cooking. It was good manners for the universe. Speaking of respect, Now it's time to show some to the dough. Take 30 grams of dough, roll it to a circle. Take 1 tablespoon of filling. Now comes the sacred mass. 33 peaches. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count carefully. This is not a time to multitask. Each peach represents one heaven, or at least one reason not to restart. Leave small hole on top so steam can exit the dumpling and it doesn't explode like it's angry at you. Dip the bottom into vegetable oil. Place on paper squares. Steam for 20 minutes. And while the Buuz turns into perfection, let's talk about a man who never waited 20 minutes for anything. Meet Genghis Khan, also known as Genghis Khan, the universal ruler, a man who never asked what's for dinner. His empire stretched across continents. His armies moved fast, very fast. They needed food that was easy to cook, easy to carry, impossible to complain about. Dumplings like Buuz were perfect, warm, filling, emotionally comforting, even after conquering half of the world. And just like history, our dumplings are ready to be tasted. Pick up 1 Buuz. Rule number 1, do not attack it immediately. Bite gently and drink hot meat juice inside. This is not a soup, this is a reward. Then eat the rest. You can add soy sauce or mustard. Or nothing at all, because confidence is also a seasoning. Today we folded dough. We folded history. We folded 33 heavens into one single dumpling. Next time, we're gonna sew some nuts. Yes, with thread. See you next time on High Story Cooking Classes. New episodes every Saturday.